Hello everybody, what's up? So today we are going to install and create virtual machine of Ubuntu, and the latest version has been released by Ubuntu, and you can see it's Lunar Lobster. So here we will download the ISO file for create a machine on Virtualbox. So just click on that link, and if you scroll down here you can see we have many type of installation process, but in our case we are going to download this ISO file. So when you just click on it, you can see here the downloading has been started. So I'm going to cancel it because I already download this file. So I'm just quickly go to the Virtualbox and start to create our virtual machine. So this is my Virtualbox, and you can see here I already created a machine of Kali Linux. So if you want to download and install Kali Linux on your Windows operating system, I will provide the link in the description, so you can watch that video and able to create a virtual machine of Kali Linux. So for today's topic, I'm going to create a new virtual machine, and we will call it as Ubuntu 23.04, and you can see the version is automatically set. Now we will move to next. Here the base memory, I always prefer to expand on this green line, and the processors, it's up to you. If you have solid processors like 4 or 6, so you can give 2 or 3, it's up to you. So in my case I will give 2 processors to this virtual machine. Next, allocate the disk size or the memory size of this machine. So I will give it 30 GBs, so it's more than enough. Okay, this is the summary of our machine. I'm just finish this. Okay, when you create your virtual machine, now it's time to add your ISO file on that machine. For that, we will click on the settings button, and as you can see, the storage section, we will go to it, and here we will click on that empty CD icon, and also we will select this, choose a disk file. So I told you that I already download this file, so I just select this and open. Now our all settings are done, so we will just, so now it's time to start and do our further process of installation of Ubuntu 23.04. So just click on start. Okay, now we will use our keyboard up and down arrows, because here we can't use our mouse. So we will try and install Ubuntu, hit enter. Let me just expand my screen. Okay, the process has been started. Okay, once you reach on that page, now it's time to configure Ubuntu on virtual machine. For the installation, it might be take around 30 to 40 minutes, and it's depending on your machine, whether it is a super machine that you have or a slow machine. So it's up to your machine or operating system that you are using right now. So let me just select our language. We are installing Ubuntu, so we will choose this option. Okay, we will use wired connection, so after installation we can change this option. We will do normal installation, or other options you can use if you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardwares. It's up to you, but in my case I'm going with normal installation. Okay, erase disk and install Ubuntu. I'm okay with it. So this is the basically partition where all the files will store. So it's time to install. Okay, set your username, choose password, confirm password, and so which mode you want to set, light or dark. I'm going with dark mode. Now the installation process has been started, and I already told you that it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so finally our installation and setup has been completed. Now it's asking us to restart the machine, so we just restart. Okay, so as you can see, the machine has been created. So now it's time to log in, and we will check the machine is successfully set up or not. Okay, so finally our 23.04 Lunar Lobster Ubuntu has been created. So let me just open my terminal, and let me just show you guys one thing. Open the terminal, type cat /etc/os-release, and here you can see our version is 23.04 and it's Lunar Lobster. So if you are new and want to learn something about the Linux and want to learn some commands, so you need to watch this video, and this video will help you to enhance your practice on Linux. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, please consider like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.